Bestowed with a cool climate and beautiful landscapes, Moc Chau district in the northernmost province of Sơn La is an ideal destination for developing tourism further. About 200 kilometers from Hanoi, there's a paradise where you can enjoy fresh air and unspoiled vistas. Moc Chau boasts famous tourist attractions that appeal to a large number of visitors. One such attraction is Ang Village Pine Forest. Not far from Ang Village Pine Forest, Moc Chau Island in Muang Sang Commune is a popular destination with a glass bridge. As tourism has become a key economic sector, Moc Chau has implemented a raft of solutions to improve its business environment, creating the most favorable conditions possible for investors and businesses. The district is home to nearly 300 accommodation establishments, including 9 hotels and 400 food and shopping businesses.